Bueno, mi gente, alright, my peoples. I'm here changing the primary oil. So basically, I should have started a little earlier. But anyway, I took this little cap off that belongs here. We just set it to the side. It has a little gasket. I would suggest to replace it as well because they do stretch over time. I got some O-rings as well, these little tiny things. That goes with the screws. Alright, so the next thing that we're gonna do is actually gonna go underneath here. So around here, yeah. This one right here. It's the plug. So we're gonna remove the plug so we can drain it. I did warm up the bike a little bit for about a minute or two, so at least the oil can, warm up and it'll be an easy flow to remove it, to come out and drain it. All right, and please do not get confused. There's another screw right here. This one. This is for your chain, for the tension on your chain and everything. So please do not tamper with this thing. So we're just gonna go a little bit over, like right here. It's basically, it's right next to this thing. This is gonna be your landmark. So right above that, bam, 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 bam. It's pretty close by. So this is what you're gonna remove to drain your primary oil. Primary oil basically works for your everything that's around here, your clutch, on your mechanism, your chain, so in transmission. All right, so we're gonna remove the plug. So we'll pick up. Sorry, I got confused with my language. Anyway, we're gonna get it back to you. All right, see you in a bit.
Alright, coming back over here. Here's the plug. Here's the plug right here. I don't know if you can see very careful. As you look away. It's not taking it. Are you serious? Come on. I almost did. Thought somebody was walking behind. Anyway, here's the plug. Just gotta replace it with the new rings. It's hot. Very, very hot. Okay. No, ain't got nothing else in there. Here's your little gasket. Get this thing majig. Alright, put this back in here. First we're gonna put it in. We're gonna do a hand tight. Alright, so let me see if I can find it. I think I found it. Alright. So we're gonna do a hand tight. You don't want to over tighten this thing. You don't want the O-rings to snap or break. Okay? So like this. Take out this oil pan out the way because it's actually bothering me. So, at least we're done with it. So, you just want to snuggle. That should do it right there. Alright? And you want to make sure that your chain is not too loose, not too tight. So you want to squeeze up. So that's good, It's not too tight, not too loose. It's actually perfect. So, alright, so that's that. And I'm gonna say honestly, it's the first time I changed this primary oil on this bike since I've had it. But it saves me an arm and a leg when you take it to any Harley place dealer, where they charge from $85 to $135 an hour just to do this one. You can just look at some videos and take it from there. Alright, so, alright, we got this little thing. Hey, wait, this is cardboard. I don't know, should I just put this one back? Anyway, I'm just gonna put it back. I got this rubber, how should we call it? Gasket. Actually, still looks good. They do say to replace it. I don't think I have to. So, I think it goes this way. There it goes. There it is. Alright, so, this little thing right here. La tapita, little cover. We'll just clean it, first. And then, 2 bolts in here. I got replacement rings. Oh, my arm is tired. Okay. Alright, replace it with some new rings. And oh my god. I'm so getting used to this video that I almost did a little boo-boo. Alright, let me take this thing back out. Alright, we need to fill it up with oil. Otherwise we'll have some big issues up in here. So, excuse for the little blooper moment there. Alright, how we got this? Here's my oil. I got this one, synthetic 3. Full synthetic, motorcycle lubricant, 20W50. Recommendations, 28 to 32 ounces. Oh, freaking frat. Now I need a funnel. I need a deeper funnel. 1 second. Oh, shoot. I'm back. Got me a longer funnel, which gotta go right here. There it goes. Which way is it? Covers right back up in here. Sup, dude? Come on, man, stay right there. This. I just want to hand tight these things. First, I'm put a little bit of, yeah. That thing tastes nasty. Just that. Where's it? Just a little drop. This is just basically so it won't loosen up on you. Alright, then you just want to hand tight these first. Alright? Smell it all, as much as you can. Oh god, it's freaking hot. Whew, we'll check out the water. Alright. Whoa, tasted that oil in my mouth. So good. Alright. Check this out. I'm gonna ratchet just to tighten it up. That should do it. Should do it. Okay, one more time. Alright, that's it. Pretty much is that. Alright, so, ladies and gents, there's a freaking rag. Oh, I fell off. Anyway, that's it for that. Hope you like this little video. I will edit it. So, delete some stuff. And that's about it. Now it's very hot. I'm just going to turn it on and take it for a spin. Alright, so, thank you very much. And this is how you change your primary oil. Alright, it's easy, going, fast. Oh, here's the rag. Yeah, it's very simple. And less expensive. Alright. Well, folks, have a good day. Bye.